It's Tuesday, also known as our Tuesday Accountability Check-In Day. So head into the Academy, click on the daily post, and all of our agents, we go over our weekly accountability checklist every single Tuesday, right? All we're looking to do is make a little bit of progress every single day, not looking for perfection. And how we do that, we simply answer these questions. How many Facebook Marketplace posts did you make? It's going to help you get leads. Did you make your social gamification post? It's going to help with your organic leads. Did you get your social gamification work, DM work done? How many days did you do your PPP post? It's going to help your SOI. Did you send your weekly mass client email? Keep you top of mind. Did you make your one and or personal post, right? They're going to connect with your and, not because you're a realtor, but because you are a what? A pickleball player, a mom, a dog lover, a dad, whatever the case, right? How many personal or business story posts did you make? How many leads did you generate? How many face-to-face buyer-seller appointments did you have? How many contracts did you write? How many closings did you have? What is your current biggest obstacle of the week? And what is your current biggest win of the week? Now, if you have any questions on how to accomplish this, all you have to do now is you can come in and first, of course, you can go in the classroom where it's going to take you through each one of those tasks step by step. But if you need some additional help, click on calendar, and every 9 a.m. come hang out with me, and we're going to do our Accountability Power Hour. Not reporting numbers, but we're going over the exact step-by-step tasks what you need to do every day to make sure that those numbers are better and better every single week. So let's make the next 12 months of your real estate career the absolute best. And yes, you can do that even in this real estate market. Have a great week. See ya.